2013-14 Buick Regal Type T with the turbo motor 2.0. Not one video shows you anything. So I'm gonna give you a quick video how hard this is, kind of. So you got your vacuum coming in from the car. Then you got a mechanism here, I'll show you another one, that plugs in electrically. And then it has 3 lines that goes 1, 2, 3. You're gonna have your bottom oil feed. This is gonna be sitting up in the car, just like this, right here. This inlet you'll see from the top. So you have your oil feed right here, another oil and a coolant. Actually, take that back. This is your oil right here. This is a coolant and a coolant return. Then on the very bottom, you cannot even barely see this thing. You have the oil return going back down to the oil pump, the oil pan, or into the block, whatever way they do it. And it's gonna be a 10 mil, a 10 mil. But it's gonna be hard for you guys to get this. You actually have to remove the catalytic converter that comes off around here. I'll show you in the video. This will be a 15. This will be a 15 on the block. So 15, these were 12s that worked for me on the 4 that go onto the motor, that come out of the cylinder head. It comes through, then it goes down to the catalytic converter. So that's right here. Good luck getting these out of here. I just went and bought new ones. Good luck. It's not an easy job. Actually, it's the only video that I'm making that may be on YouTube. So right here, you'll see the catalytic converter that you have to take off 4 bolts. You have to unbolt it from the bottom of the car and move that out of the way too. Right here is that oil return I was telling you about. Coolant. Here's the vacuum from the motor. Coolant right there. Your plug right here comes off, and you have no room. It is actually a pretty big job to even get down to this. So you'll have your bolts right there for your exhaust off the cylinder head, and then new turbo, your electrical right here. It's not a very easy job to do, guys. I actually took the flange, gasket, bolt, whatever you guys want to make fun of me, snap ring off and separated these two so I could get in on the car in the old one, but I can't do it on this one, so it's gonna be trickier to get in here from the bottom, because you gotta jack the car up and work from the bottom and the top. And like I said, to jump all the way back in here and the way the motor's tilted, you're literally working in a very uncomfortable situation.